Do you like auctions? Do you like big trucks? Do you like meeting with friends and trying to outbid them on junk?
Back road bidder rocks.
With me, the back road bidder. Which could be fun. It's a beautiful looking day today. It should be a great drive. I don't know what we'll see here for leaves. But in some areas the leaves are really starting to pop. Still a little bit muted here, but my windshield is a fright. But it is very cold this morning. There was a hard frost on my lawn today, so I'm flying solo today. Marcy's not feeling well. Charlie's gonna stay home to give her a hand around the house. Auction action. No sign of him yet.
A couple places
Once again, if you have not already registered for buyer cover, the Reseller is right up there. If you're registered for buyer cover, you have the question very short. We're going to give you some positions here, 4 or 5 minutes or so. Almost kind of like cast iron stuff.
Yep, all this stuff here.
And those baskets and an umbrella and net.
Right.
Yes, sir. You got all there. 2 and high up. 8 down, 5, 2 and high there, down 5, 2 and high, 5 down, 7 high, 7 high, get back to the wheel, 7 high, get back to the wheel, 750. I get 5. She's gonna be 7 high, get back now 10, 10, now 10, 10, 10, 10 to the wheel. He's gonna be 10, but 10, down 10, 7 high, 10, 7 high, 10, 8, 7 high, 10, sold it back there, 750 back there, 227 high, 750, 227.
Buy anything yet?
Not yet.
I was looking at some of their air tools, but
Oh yeah, they were just bidding one.
I don't know what we don't know what we're doing.
I've seen some really cool stuff on the other side, but they're probably gonna sell pretty high.
Probably. I was
Like
gonna
those
look
old
back.
muscle cars, the American flag ones, those
Models and stuff.
yeah.
Somebody's been in that porta potty a long time.
Oh no. Yeah, we found KT treasures.
Well, look at the international power unit in there. International power unit. Now that's a hard one to get. I can give 100 on that box. He'll give 100. He'll give 100. Give 100. Give 50. He'll give 50. 50. 25. 25. 25. 10. 15. I get him 15. All the old cigar boxes, and he's got the other little tins in there and everything, all the store tins and all. He'll get $25. He'll get 25. 25. Get $10. So we get in. Get 5 now. 10. I got $5. 10. 15. 15. 15. 15. 20. I got 15. 20. 20. 20. 25. 25. I get $20. 25. 25. $20. 25. So look at that gentleman right there, $20 to $250. 250 is your buyer, 250. This one's got all the old toys. Look at the old crawler in there and everything. All right there, he'll get 50. He'll get 50, 25, 25, 25, he'll get $10. He'll get 10, 15, now 15, now 20, 20, now 5, 25. I got 20 there, 25, now 30, 35, 30, 25, I got 25 here, 30. I got 25 now, 30, 30, 25, 30, 20, now 5, now 35, 45, 45, 55, 55, 55, 65, 65, 75, 75, your price stand bar unit lately, 65, 75, 65, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 65, 75, 75, 75, $75, I got 65, 75, 75, 75.
Calm down.
Hey, I was looking at this, I was like, sweet, they got a bar in a hotel for when you get too drunk.
Right in order. Eat, drink, crash.
Sleep.
Other places have Hooters, we have Honkers. Just left Honkers. Said goodbye to Mike and Amber. Had a great time today. Great hanging out with them and with KT Treasures. Met them for the first time. That was cool. We talked shop a little bit, talked life a little bit. Good time. Mike and Amber treated me to a nice lunch. I appreciate that, thank you. But I think I did all right today. I spent $45, $47, I think. And yeah, it should be all right. I'll show you the stuff when we get home. It's breezy out here, so there's gonna be some wind noise, I'm sorry. But let's see what I got. I got a few treasures. I think I spent more time socializing than buying stuff. But hey, I had a lot of fun. Highlights, let's see. I got these 2 boxes for $2.50. We need a frame right now because my son just got his school pictures, so that's handy. Bag of cords. I think I took everything useful out of here. It's a big digital picture frame. Maybe I'll think of something creative to do with that digital picture frame. The real reason I bought these 2 boxes for $2.50 was this orange piece here. I don't know. Maybe it's not mid-century. There's screws in here. I don't know what those are for. Yeah, that's probably mid-century. I don't know. I thought it was kind of neat. But there's this Pyrex nesting bowls in here. That's not a super popular pattern, but it'll sell. I think I can find a home for that somewhere else. A couple Pyrex measuring cup. Oh no, Anchor Hawking. Both Anchor Hawking. I've sold those. It's not big bucks, but you know, 10 to 15 bucks probably. I I'm honestly not sure what's in here. I'm discovering as we go. These are kind of pretty. China Blue by the Mann Company. Seymour Mann. I don't know much about Seymour Mann. Since I've never heard the name until now, it looks like it had tape on there that'll have to be cleaned off. Those are both pretty nice looking. If they're worth anything, I don't know. Soup or a spoon rest. It says Costa Rica on it. I don't know. It's probably not much. Somebody paid 19 bucks for that? Maybe I do have to look that up. I'm guessing it's not worth anything, but this is interesting. Very appropriate for this time of year. Oh, there's a stack of these bowls. Oh, it's just World Market stuff. Well, they're still kind of nice looking. 4 of them. Little etched glass stein of some kind, or maybe... Is that just a candle holder? It's supposed to look like a stein? I don't know. My answer to a lot of things is, I don't know. Yeah, I think a lot of this is probably crap. Now I've showed you all the crap. Let's get to the better stuff. I thought I saw some pictures. I wonder if they flew out. This is my shirt. I just put in here to protect this thing. $2.50 I paid for this one. I looked it over good. I don't see any chips or anything, and I just think it's a pretty piece. I don't know if it's worth anything. This, oh, it is. Kind of a pink colored glass, rose colored. Huh. Someone might love that. St. Patrick's Day doilies. Some other laced doilies. Look at that. How timely. Jack-o'-lantern clings. Oh yeah. I did know these were down here. Some insulators. I finally picked some up. I don't know anything about insulators. I know some are worth $1 and some bring pretty good money. But there's quite a, I don't know, there's probably 8 or 9 in here. This one's damaged. May 2nd, 1898. That's chipped up too. So I don't know, they might be a big pile of nothing. But they're cool. Clockworks. Oh, there's a whole thing. Whole, what is that, a planner? Shelf sitter or something. I was bottom feeding today, so I really didn't spend much, and I got a lot of scraps. Pocket change. Ooh, it's got some initials etched on there. That's kind of cool, actually. I forgot what these are called, like metronomes or something. It's for keeping your tempo when you're playing music. This came with it. Old milk bottle. another photo because Marcy loves it when I buy photos. It's the Gillette family reunion, Madison, Wisconsin, August 25th, 1923. Look at all these Gillettes. Dozens of them. And the cool thing is, look on the back. Looks like someone tried to label them all. If you know anyone named Gillette, let me know. Possibly the coolest thing I bought. Lionel train controller. Type ZW transformer. Sorry. It's got the speed controls and everything. It's a whistle on each side. I believe you can run 2 trains. Go in 2 directions. And yeah, this is freaking cool. I looked them up online, and working ones sell for 120 some bucks. This one obviously isn't working at the moment, and I probably won't be able to test it or anything, even if I did replace the cord. But I think I could sell it as is. I paid $25 for this, by the way, because I believe even selling it as is, I could get at least double my money. Hopefully like 75 bucks. We'll see. Because it's a cool friggin' decorator piece if nothing else. Or boat anchor. Probably weighs 8 pounds. That's it, folks. Short and sweet. Today was more about having fun than spending money, which is good because I've been really slacking on my reselling business. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And Jimbo was there again, and Vicky. I didn't even say hi to, well, I did say hi to Vicky from across the wagon, but we didn't even talk. So yeah, and maybe sometime I can hang out with KT Treasures again. They're very nice people, and I know they're very knowledgeable, more than I am. Talk to you later. Oh! Maybe I'll get some cool foliage, fall foliage footage. Hopefully they'll get as addicted as I am, because misery loves company. You're my best buddy. Fall foliage footage. Say it. Fall foliage footage. Thanks for stopping by.